How y'all feeling about tonight? We got Bizzy Bone in the building.
Excited.
Excited. I love Bone Thugs.
You love Bone Thugs. This real Cleveland shit right here.
Real shit going on tonight.
So, what y'all gonna bring to this table though?
I can fuck them up per usual.
You know the vibes. You know. If they don't know the vibes, they better get to know.
They gonna know today.
They gonna know today.
So y'all going on stage together?
Yeah.
They not ready for
We got
that.
a song, if y'all don't know, called Cinderella Remix.
Ooh.
So,
Okay, it's out everywhere on all platforms. Right?
all platforms.
Like that. And what the hell should they need to know about y'all two?
We done bitches. We up next. That's just period.
Pop your shit.
That's what is it to say?
Come on.
What is it to say?
And we here and we stand.
The
I love
fuck?
it.
We don't have to really talk about it. Like we just doing our shit. Like that's all I
And
can
just
say.
being ourselves.